Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of payroll calculation based on attendance. So first of all, we will go into the employee module. Here you can see all the employees. So we are going to open Abigail Peterson, and here we can see the contract of our employee Abigail Peterson. So open the contract. Here you can see the contract, you can see the employee, and you can see the start and end date of the contract. Here you can see the working schedule, work entry source is attendance. You can see the salary structure, type is worker, department is this, job position is consultant, and you can add the contract type if you want. Now under salary information tab, you can see the wage type is fixed wage and the schedule pay is monthly. You can see the wages 6,500 for the Abigail Peterson. Now after this, you can see the contract is in running state. Now after this, we are going into the attendance module. Open that and we are going to create a new attendance for Abigail Peterson. Here select Abigail Peterson, add the check-in time. I will be adding check-in time as 9 and I will be adding my checkout time as today's date, and the time will be the time I am going to select is 18, and I am going to click on apply. Here you can see the worked time is 8 hours and there are no extra hours. So I'm going to click on save and close. Now here you can see the check-in record is created for Abigail Peterson. Here you can see the attendance record for Abigail Peterson. Now after this, we are going to hop on to the payroll module. Open that, and now under payslip, we are going to find a menu for all payslip. Open that, and here you can see all the payslips for the employee. Now we are going to create a new payslip for Abigail Peterson. So add the employee Abigail Peterson, and here you can see the employee. The contract is automatically updated as there was only one contract. You can select the batch. I will be selecting batch for April 2025. Add the structure will be worker pay, and the period is updated automatically. In work days, the attendance is added, and in salary computation it is nothing right now. So we are just going to save this payslip and click on compute sheet. Here after clicking on compute sheet, you can see the state of the payslip is in waiting, and under salary computation you can see the basic and taxable and net salary is updated for Abigail Peterson. Now after this, you can see the salary, the total and the net salary for Abigail Peterson. After this, you can see the work days is attendance and the amount is 6,500. Here in the work entries, you can see all the entries, and you can see the entry for Abigail Peterson in here also. Here you can see the Abigail Peterson check-in and check-out entry. After this, again we will go into the salary slip, and in here we are going to confirm our salary slip. Here you can see it is in the done state. After this, we will be clicking on mark as paid. So as soon as you click on mark as paid, you can see a PDF report is generated for salary slip of Abigail Peterson, and here you can see all the details of Abigail Peterson salary slip. Now after this, you can see the salary slip in the list view also, and it is in paid state. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.